So we covered the 5 stages. But John, overall, what are the 3 key things that everybody should take away from tonight?
Well, I think we have to buy the book and get the 99 tips. That seems like a good start. But if I was trying to distill this down to 3 things, the first is to plan, and the way you lay out the 5 steps, I think, is a really great way to conceptualize the different stages. But the first thing I would say is plan. Draw a flow chart. Draw a flow chart of what can go right, what can go wrong, and really try and get granular into all of the possibilities and do your best to plan for that. The second is throughout the discussion tonight, many times I mentioned having a team around you, but it's not just that you have advisors in the different areas that you need to run a business. It's that they have to be the right people, they have to be trusted, and you have to build a relationship with them. That's where the value comes, because if they don't know you and you don't know them, you're not getting the best advice as you go along. And then the last thing that I would say, the third thing, is just because you had a plan when you were at step 1 or 2 of your journey, don't think that that's your plan throughout the entire development of your business. Periodically revisit it, use the resources that you have available, and refine your plan. And Andrew said earlier, schedule it, right? Because if you don't schedule it, you get so busy with the business, you don't do it. So whether you have a specific date in the summer or you have a January 1st date where you sit down with your business plan and you refine it, and I like you to refine it with your team of advisors giving input, but periodically refine your business plan. Those are my 3 tips.